जोहार। विश्व आदिवासी दिवस की आप सबों को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। अगर आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो जोहार, हेलो, वेलकम। मैं हूं मनीषा मिंज और आज के एपिसोड में हम लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं विश्व आदिवासी दिवस यानी वर्ल्ड इंडिजिनियस डे। आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही स्पेशल होने वाला है क्योंकि आज हम लोग जिनसे मिलने वाले हैं वो ऐसे तो है मिज़ोरम की बेटी, लेकिन अब वो हमारी भाभी हैं, हमारे झारखंड की बहू है। तो आइए मिलते हैं आज की हमारी स्पेशल गेस्ट से। जोहार।
Chibay, kalau lomlut siya.
हैप्पी वर्ल्ड इंडिजीनियस डे।
Same to you.
थैंक यू सो मच। आज का हमारा एपिसोड बहुत ही स्पेशल होने वाला है बिकॉज एक आदिवासी बेटी एक दूसरी आदिवासी बेटी का आज इंटरव्यू लेने आई है और हम लोग झारखंड की और हमारी यूट्यूब फैमिली को दुनिया में कितने सारे ट्राइबल्स हैं, स्पेशली झारखंड में या रांची में बहुत सारे तरह के ट्राइबल्स हैं, सिर्फ झारखंड के नहीं और भी तरह के ट्राइबल हैं। तो उन्हीं कम्युनिटी को सेलिब्रेट करते हुए और वर्ल्ड इंडिजीनियस डे का जो स्पिरिट है उसको सेलिब्रेट करते हुए आज का हमारा स्पेशल एपिसोड होने वाला है।
So for this, why don't you wear my traditional dress? And this traditional dress is called poon. Okay, and some call it lungi also.
Okay.
This is hand woven and it is worn by the Mar Mizo community of Mizoram.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. It's Padiya sari and I want you to wear this. वेलकम मैम टू आवर यूट्यूब फैमिली एंड थैंक यू अपना इतना कीमती समय हमें देने के लिए।
Thank you so much for having me.
आप मिज़ोरम से हैं, लेकिन मिज़ोरम से रांची तक का सफ़र आपका कैसा रहा?
So my name is Jubilee Darthangmoy and people know me as Jubilee. And now I belong to Urang family. My husband is Dr. Meshak Khuzur and I become Jubilee Darthangmoy Khuzur, and it's going to be my 13 years of stay in Ranchi, and I belong to Mar Mizo community from Mizoram.
सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बता दूं, इस झारखंडी वेशभूषा में आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं।
Thank you so much. You also looking so beautiful.
थैंक यू एंड इस अटायर के लिए भी थैंक यू वेरी मच। झारखंड के बारे में झारखंड के लोगों को बहुत चीज़ें पता है, पाड़िया साड़ी के बारे में बहुत चीज़ें पता है। आज हम लोग हमारी झारखंड की भाभी, हमारी भौजाई के बारे में सीखते हैं और सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे मैम इस ड्रेस के बारे में, ये बताइए आप।
This is called, we call it Mar Poon. Poon मतलब lungi, and it is just a wrap around. Nothing is there.
No pleats,
no
nothing.
pleats, nothing. It's just a simple.
Drape.
And this is hand woven. Hand woven specially for me, you know, design and specially for me. And then how do we weave it? We have all the designs. You know, हर tribe में designs अलग अलग होता है, the colors and everything. And then the color symbolizes so many things, you know. These poon लुंगी इज़ वॉर इन डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स, किसी का शादी है, किसी का बर्थडे में या एनी ब्यूटीफुल एंड जॉयस ओकेजन में हम लोग पहनता है इसको।
ओके, ये तो हो गया विमेन के लिए। व्हाट डू मेन वेयर?
Men is a shorter version of this.
Okay.
Okay. Just knee length.
Okay.
And they wear it in traditional time.
Okay.
In olden days. अभी तो they are not wearing it anymore.
मैम के बारे में और बहुत सारी बातें जानेंगे, लेकिन मुझसे ही आ जाने में लेट हो गई और हमें भूख भी लग रही है, तो क्यों ना आज हम लोग खाने से शुरू करें एंड मैम से अपना कॉन्वर्सेशन इसी तरह से आगे बढ़ाते रहेंगे। तो मैम आपके लिए ये हमने झारखंड का स्प्रेड लगा के रखा है।
Thank you so much.
आई रियली ट्राई टू ब्रिंग फूड फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट बट आई वाज सो स्कैर्ड कि पता नहीं कैसा होगा, टेस्ट में नहीं होगा, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम फॉर श्योर आई विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग फूड फॉर यू।
Thank you so much. I'm a big foodie. The reason why I love Ranchi is all the freshness of the food, and wherever we go, tribal, we have shared the same type of food,
cuisine,
like cuisine, the bamboo shoot, beng sak, and all kinds of seasonal vegetables which are available in the Bahu Bazaar, Salimar, Namkum Bazaar and all. I'm a very big foodie, and notice wherever we go, we carry our food, you know. So without food, we cannot survive, and हमारा जीवन शुरुआत ही नहीं होता है. So thank you so much for introducing me to the cuisine of Jharkhand. It's somehow similar,
yes,
but the kind of preparation is a little bit different. Yes.
Little bit different.
But
So,
the ingredients are the same. Yeah.
And the taste, the earthiness is also the same. This is Leto Mandi. This is like biryani. This is made with chicken and your choice
yes,
of meat
yes.
and rice.
Yeah, we have the same type of preparations. We call it mepok, but it's not yellow in color. Okay, we have the natural color. We don't put haldi and all.
This is madwa roti.
Madwa
As you can see, they've put onion and chilies on it. But usually जो हम लोग घर में बनाते हैं उसमें हम लोग onion chilies नहीं डालते, वो plain ही होता है मड़वा का या छिलका रोटी से.
So I just want to add on ragi or marwa is one of the best food, you know, millets, and it is rich in calcium. We can make it into porridge, we can make it into halwa and all, and then ये खाना चाहिए जिनका हड्डी का problem है या anything, you know, any kind of problem. This is superfood, but it is underrated. But
You rightly said it is very underrated. आप सोचिए ये अभी कुछ सालों में इतना पॉपुलर हो रहा है, जब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, रागी के बेनिफिट्स के बारे में डॉक्टर्स बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कितने ही सालों से मड़वा हम लोग घर में खाते आए हैं. मुझे तो बचपन से याद है कि हम लोग मड़वा खा रहे हैं.
Marwa we haven't seen there in Mizoram.
Okay.
After coming to Ranchi only I came to know about this marwa. But when I was carrying and when I was feeding my children, you know, my mother-in-law used to introduce me, you can introduce to your diet.
This is again a delicacy of Jharkhand. This is rugda, puttu, like you say, with chicken.
This is something different which we don't eat in Manipur, you know, we don't get in Manipur, Mizoram, all this northeast. This is the first time I'm seeing in Ranchi, you know, rukra.
And lastly, this is dumbu. What do you
I love
eat?
this.
Even I love it. What is your plate, a regular plate look like?
I'm a rice eater. I don't eat roti at all at any day.
Okay.
We consume twice in a day rice. And morning it's like simple bread and, you know, chai or any kind of bread, biscuit and all. In Northeast we eat our early lunch. Lunch is served before 10 o'clock. And then dinner, we eat our dinner around 5 o'clock. So मतलब दो टाइम चावल हम लोग खाता है. So in between snacks and all, and we eat early, we sleep early.
Okay. That's so nice. Ma'am, please start कीजिए. How was your journey from Mizoram to Ranchi? How did you decide, or how did you come to know about Ranchi? Please tell us your early days in Ranchi.
So I studied my 11 and 12 in Shillong, and then I did my BSc in home management in Shillong.
Okay.
And then I am not so much into studies, as I said. I'm more into beauty, and it is always my dream to open a salon one day, and that one day takes almost like, you know, say about 15 years. And how do I come to Ranchi? I was recruited for a multinational company, like Asia's #1 brand called VLCC. I looked after the 3 center. I was a regional manager that time. And then that's how I came to Ranchi. And before I was recruited, I didn't know about Ranchi at all. And forget about getting married here and settled, you know. And after I came here, you know, the landscape, the mosam, the weather, the hill, everything looks like Northeast India, where I belong to. And Ranchi have its own charm, you know. बहुत अच्छा लगा मौसम से लेके खाना पीना, bamboo shoot से लेके बेंग साग से लेके all the authentic, you know, putkal, yes, putkal.
And bamboo shoot is something very common in Northeast
very common. We eat bamboo shoots, we make furnitures out from bamboo shoots, even jewelry, and many things like kitchen, you know, items where we could put fruit and
Storage
all, you know,
boxes.
storage box, and then kheti bari ke liye bhi bamboo is very important, and for eating as well. And the first time I saw bamboo is in the market, and I go crazy, you know.
So how did you meet sir?
Meeting sir is a very long story. As I said, I don't know about anything Ranchi. Ranchi का नाम कभी भी नहीं सुना है मैंने.
सर कहाँ से, उनके बैकग्राउंड के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Sir Ranchi only. He belongs to Urao family, and उसका दादा दादी लोग तो लोहारदगा में ही रहता है. He is a public health expert as well, and then the whole family belong to medical field only, and I'm the only bahu who is not a medical and who is into this salon industry, you know, beauty thing. So then how do I meet? We invite all the IS officer, you know, for our inaugurations, and our ex-CS, Chief Secretary of Jharkhand, belong to Mizo community. So one fine day they came in the salon, and then through them I met my husband. It's a common friend, kind of, and happily married for 10 years, going to be 11 years.
Wow, nice. How did you adapt the culture? As you said कि यहाँ का खाना पीना रहन सहन mostly northeast की तरह है, तो was it difficult for you or?
Not really, because my husband and all never force me anything to eat, you know. I do my marzi, you know, cooking and all, I do my own. As I said before, we carry our own food, and here the food, you know, the items and the varieties is somehow very similar to Northeast. So I cook food for myself and for the family, and dire my husband also started liking Northeast food a lot. Okay. After I got married, since my husband is a busy person, so I was not able to continue by choice. My professions, I love my family so much, so I left my professions for 10 years. You know, 10 long years, I became housewife, and I am into food also, you know. I have a lot of food page where I click pictures and then upload it on Facebook, especially during lockdown.
Okay.
Everyone tried their own, you know, skills that time. So during lockdown also, I won a first prize in a competitions also, all around the world in my community.
Okay.
As you said, raising about my kids, there is nothing, you know, scripted, you know. Every
course,
child is different, and it's just how you balance your life, you know. And with God, everything is possible, is what I believe.
तो जैसे आपने बताया कि मिजोरम में तो बहुत जल्दी सोने का है, वैसे हमारे आदिवासी परिवार में भी ऐसा ही होता है.
Here also I sleep early. I make sure that they sleep before 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Their dinners latest by 7 o'clock. I'm a strict mother, so I make sure sleep is very important as well. The maximum sleep they have, the more healthier. So I believe in that. They should eat proper, they should sleep well, and then they should sleep on time. My daughter is just 6 years old right now,
okay.
and then she needs me more than anybody else.
Yes.
So I don't have the courage to leave her at a very young age, and then everything falls in the amnat time, you know, on its own time. Everything falls into places. I have a dream, but I did not think that it will happen very soon, you know. My husband is a public health expert. He keeps on traveling, and kids are growing big, you know. So why not? Maybe घर में बैठे बैठे बोर हो जाता है without doing anything. सुबह उठो, टिफ़िन के लिए क्या बनाना है, फिर उसके बाद स्कूल से लौटने के बाद क्या खिलाना है. Same routine for the past 10 years, and I could do more than this. You know, this is what I believe. I could do more than this, since my passion is food and skin. So why not, you know, do something for the society as well as for myself also.
Many women usually give up on their careers after they get married, and mostly when kids happen. But you're such an inspiration that you waited
Thank
10
you so
long
much.
years to get back on track, and now you've started this beautiful, this is your third baby, I'll say.
Yes,
This is your third baby,
very
Sam
much.
and Eva.
Yes.
So how did this happen?
How does this happen? By a lot of thinking and by a lot of planning and by a lot of prayer. It is happening from the time of searching for the, you know, outlet, से लेके procuring of the this thing furniture से लेके each and everything does not happen in one day. I plan when the kids were asleep at 9 o'clock, then I plan it, I write it down, sometimes I think and sometimes I talk to people who are into this field and all, so that I don't make a mistake.
So it has been 6-8 months?
No, it's going to be it's going to be 6 months.
It's
Yeah.
going to be 6 months.
And I've seen a lot of response, and our tribal community has really helped me a lot, and I want to give it back to the society in a very genuine way, you know.
अच्छा मैम, मैंने नोटिस किया है नॉर्थ ईस्ट के खाने में मोस्टली फर्मेंटेड फिश या
हाँ।
फर्मेंटेड
Fermented bamboo shoots,
ये सब,
fermented
रहता है,
fish,
तो
and I carry that fermented fish wherever I go.
so you have it
Yeah, I
here
have it
also.
now.
You put it in every dish?
I
Mostly?
put it in chutney बनाने के लिए, and plus fermented bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot chutney के साथ भी बनाता, आलू चोखा उसका ऊपर में डालता है, and then we make a vegetable stew, उसमें भी डालता है, so it enhance the flavor.
So tell us more about Sam and Eva. What do you have to offer to our audience?
The USP of Sam and Eva is all about using the best skincare brand that is called Kanpeki. It's a Japanese brand. You know. Again, the unique selling point of this is one-time use. हर कस्टमर का डब्बा खोल के use करो. It's one time used on the face and then you throw it away.
Okay.
So keeping in mind the authenticity of the product, the hygiene of the services and the quality services. This is the USP of this salon.
तो अगर आपको भी हमारा ये कॉन्वर्सेशन आज का पसंद आया हो और हमारी प्यारी सी भाभी आपको पसंद आई हो, तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए हमारे अगले एपिसोड में और इस वीडियो को भी बहुत प्यार दीजिएगा. तब तक हम अपना मील फिनिश करते हैं और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में. थैंक यू सो मच मैम इतना कीमती समय निकालने के लिए. यू नो वी एज मदर्स आर सो वी हैव सो मेनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, नॉट जस्ट वर्क बट आर हाउस, आर चिल्ड्रन. वी हैव सो मेनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज टू डील विद. मैम के बच्चे के एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं, बट स्टिल आई हैव बीन आफ्टर हर कि मैम प्लीज एक दिन का टाइम निकालो. एंड यू वर सो स्वीट एंड काइंड इनफ टू टेक आउट दैट टाइम फॉर अस.
Thank you so much for coming, and through your channel definitely I'm going to get more customer, and if any of you want genuine, authentic and quality services, you come to Sam and Eva Family Salon, which is situated in the hub of the city, main road, Capitol Hill, ground floor. And thank you so much, women supporting another women, and tribal, together we can rise.
Of course, of course. I'll put all the descriptions of her salon, her Instagram handle and her Facebook handle in the description.
Johar Chibe Inrengin.